Going back to the earnings conversation, I am so excited to see the impact of the legislative tax benefits on this quarter's earnings, which are going to be the strongest since 2011. With that said, you've got so many geopolitical considerations, Syria, China trade, all of these, none of which have had any negative economic impact to date. And that's why earnings growth expectations have actually been accelerating up 50% in a meaningful way since January 1. With that said, with this latest breaking news, I think it's important to recognize everyone's so focused on the negatives being a negative catalyst in this market. You've got the Kudlow effect here, a pro-growth, pro-business environment on top of the beneficial regulatory environment. Some of these trade packages could really open up markets and boost this free market policy. We get to the other side of the rainbow, as they call it. So I think that's the real excitement down the line. Once we get past the first quarter, which we know is going to be great, I think we look forward to some of these policies really kicking in. It could take a year for tax policy really to benefit this economy. And that's why I think for investors, they need to think holistically about this whole package and say some of the benefits of 2017 are going to carry over into 2018. The stock leadership may also change, but there's a lot of economic growth. Sure, repatriation's great, right? Tax reform's great. But what if we open up foreign markets and really boost exports, which is what the president's trying to do? I think there are 495 stocks out there that didn't get their fair share last year. A handful of companies got all of investors' attentions. It's a broad economy. Tax benefits and regulations will benefit all of those other businesses. That's where the opportunity and that's where the value is outside of the FANG stocks.